Tired of your Google contacts looking like a digital disaster with inconsistent phone number formats? Well, fear not, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you the best way to format your phone numbers in Google Contacts, making sure everything syncs perfectly and dials correctly across all your devices. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the ideal format generally. Using the international format is your best bet. Especially if you communicate with people across different countries. This means starting with a plus sign, followed by the country code, then the area code, and finally the local number. For example, for a US number, it would be 1, then the area code, like 555, and then the rest of the number. Keep in mind that Google Contacts can usually handle numbers with or without spaces or dash, but consistency is key, so choose one format and stick with it. Now, if you have existing contacts with different formats, don't worry. You don't have to manually edit everything. Google Contacts is smart enough to recognize and dial most variations. However, standardizing them will prevent future issues. A good way to start cleaning things up is by using the Find Duplicates feature in Google Contacts on your computer. This helps you identify contacts with similar information, including phone numbers, so you can merge them and standardize the format. To do this, go to your Google Contacts on your computer, usually found in the Google Apps menu. Look for the option called Find Duplicates or Merge and Fix. Follow the prompts to review and merge any duplicate entries. Finally, consider setting a default country code in your Google Contacts settings. This helps automatically format numbers if you're primarily dealing with contacts from a specific country. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your Google Contacts are organized and your phone numbers are formatted correctly for seamless communication. No more dialing errors or syncing headaches.